Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to come on and share something I've been playing with, and and what they are these little pom-poms that I bought at Dollar Tree this year. And I just had a couple ideas. I just wanted to play around to see if they would work, for one. And I came up, or I don't think I'm the first one to do this, but you know, um, thought it would be fun to try them out. And I may use this in my cubicle when I go back to work. Um, so what I did um, is this one is a thumbtack that you could put, on your cubicle, and you could hang things up, and it would be kind of cute, because it feels good on the hands, and, hopefully it will work. I don't know because of these thumbtacks, and I had a little pack of them in my stash, and they came out perfect. I just hot glued them on. May need to glue some more, add more glue so it's really on there. So I did 3 pink, like cute. It's so cute. I'm gonna have to trim some of these. Need to add more glue here. But I stuck them on, and I need to trim. What is good about this, you can trim the glue, if it kind of goes over the edge. Oops. And I'm just trimming around it. I think I have some excess glue. I just think it's really cute, and I think I've seen these at Dollar Tree. But they're a lot smaller, but I think these would be really cute. I made 3 pink and 3 like ivory color pom-poms. So this was from that pastel pack that I bought. Then I was, going through my charms, and I wanted to make some charms out of them. Again, I don't think this is, a new idea. I think other people have done this. I just didn't know how they did it. So, I've seen people hang these off of, bags, little paper bags, and I just thought they were just simply adorable. And then, so I used, I don't know what these are called. Where's the small ones? So I use these small, I don't know what they're called. If you know it, can you pop it in the chat? Because I can't remember what they're called. And then I have this bigger one that I poked the hole, or I poked the pom-pom, so this would fit in perfectly. So I was going through my stash, and I found those, and I said, okay, I got those. And then I have another container. I just put it away. With these jump rings, they're really sturdy jump rings. And then I had these bows that I bought at Hobby Lobby. And I thought, oh my God, these would be great charms to add to these pom-poms. So that's what I made, little charm pom-poms for I don't know what. I could put this on a journal. I can even put this on a tag, or on an end of a tab, maybe. I think that would be really cute. I have some blue and green. I had the primary color pom-poms, And I have orange, green, and purple for Halloween, and then red for Christmas. Oh, how that would be really cute to make for Christmas. But I just made these just to try them out, and they came out adorable. So yeah, I made charms out of pom-poms, and I made little, what do you call these, thumbtacks for posting in your cubicle. So I want to try that out when I go back to work. So I got 6 of those, and I can make a whole bunch more. So yeah, that's what I was playing around with today. So I want to thank everybody for watching, stopping by, commenting. I so appreciate that. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.